You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word correctly. This means my dear, or darling, or honey. Not honey as in the product, but just, my darling, honey, my honey. Spanish pronunciation, yes, it's from Spanish, cariño. Also in Mexican, it normally has a little wave on the N, on top of the N, cariño, meaning that the N is pronounced ñ, like GN, ñ. Cariño, that's your Spanish pronunciation. If you cannot pronounce it perfectly in Spanish, you can say cariño. Cariño, my darling, or honey, sweetheart. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.